Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make pasta salad at home without mayonnaise. First, select a short pasta shape such as rotini, penne, or farfalle. These shapes hold dressing well. Cook your pasta al dente, which usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes, ensuring it has a slight bite. Immediately rinse the cooked pasta under cold water to halt the cooking process and prevent it from clumping together. This step is crucial for a perfect salad texture. Next, let's create a vibrant, mayonnaise-free dressing. Whisk together 1/4 cup of good quality olive oil and 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Incorporate 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard and 1 finely minced garlic clove for a delightful tang. Finish by seasoning with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. This simple vinaigrette provides a light and refreshing base for your salad. Now, it's time to load up your pasta salad with fresh, colorful vegetables. Gently fold in 1 cup of halved cherry tomatoes and 1/2 cup of crisp sliced cucumber. Add 1/4 cup of finely diced red onion and 1/2 cup of chopped bell peppers for crunch and sweetness. Finally, stir in 1/4 cup of fresh, chopped parsley and 2 tablespoons of fresh basil to elevate the flavors and add a wonderful aroma. To bring it all together, combine your cooled pasta with the vibrant array of prepared vegetables in a large bowl. Pour the zesty vinaigrette dressing over the mixture. Toss everything gently until all the ingredients are thoroughly and evenly coated. For optimal flavor development, chill the pasta salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.